Good morning, Chuck and Paige here with No Time to Be Hungry. Today's episode is Pad Thai. Thailand's known for its street vendors, and I think the street vendors are so competitive that the food is just so awesomely tasting. I don't know how to describe it. It's just great food. From a cart in the street. Anyway, here in That Phanom, some of my favorite thing to get is Pad Thai. We've traveled almost everywhere in Thailand, and this place here seems to have the best Pad Thai I've had anywhere in Thailand. I don't know if it's because he makes it how I want it, but it seems like a lot of the places you go, it's either too kind of oily or too sweet. So it's difficult to tell them how you want it because they've got their special technique on how they do it. But here, it seems to be spectacular. Pad Thai is made with rehydrated dry rice noodles with some tapioca flour mixed in. Stirred in with fried eggs and chopped up tofu. Flavored with tamarind juice, fish sauce, dried shrimp, garlic, and shallots. A little bit of chili pepper, palm sugar, and served up with lime wedges and some roasted peanuts to top it off. It can be served up many different ways. My favorite is shrimp, but you can get it with chicken, pork, really kind of anything. You can also have it vegetarian style, just tofu if you like. Also comes with some fresh bean sprouts and some green onion aloe. And another great item usually on that cart is hoi tod, which is a fried mussel or fried clam, but you can also get a mixture of all different types of seafood on it as well. Next go-to favorite thing on the street vendors food cart is fried chicken. Fried chicken is kind of like a foreigner's go-to food. If you don't like spicy food, the chicken's always crispy and good. But again, here in That Phanom, for whatever reason, this particular vendor, I don't know what it is about his chicken, but it's amazing. It's always crispy even after it sits for a while. I don't know what it is, the batter, the way he cooks it, his technique. I don't really know. But what I do know is if you do come to That Phanom and you can find this guy, he's usually not in the night market area. He's kind of outside. You've got to try it. If you can't find it, come get me and I'll show you where he's at. But he's not always selling. But good stuff. One of my most favorite things to do on this planet is come to Mamu's shop on the road here. Busy traffic, a lot of stuff going on, but sitting out here enjoying a meal, a couple of cocktails, and life is really good in this spot right here. One of my favorite things to do.
เอาไปตั้งเลยผมโหลดนะนี่รถไม่นะโอ้เด้ทอดแน่เอาตัวร้านเนาะอันนี้เนาะ
This is some of the best salad I've ever had here.
เอาเนื้ออะไรมันเห็นเป็นน้อยๆโคโลกะเลแล้วมาบอกเป็นน้อยเดียวนะแต่
จานพิเศษมัน
คนนั้นเพลงนั่นแหละเย้ขนมคนเราแล้วไปถอนแถวอ่ะแล้วมันจะขาดได้แต่ละคนไม่ได้ละอย่างนั้นก็บ่ได้มือนี่แก้วก็มาน้องกันเด้ผู้สร้างเราเด็กไหน
ดังมัน
เพื่อนตัวเนื้อแล้วเอาอันนี้มันเลยเอาแบบนี้ของนิดหน่อยอย่างเงี้ยเอาสิทาง
I'm not sure why, but street food always tastes better when eaten on the street.
อันนี้มันหวานเนี่ยขายพวกนี้งบปลาเขาว่า
ไส้กรอกอีสาน
เพิ่นบ่ได้กิน
อีสาน
sausage ใบมะกรูดหลายๆเพิ่มมานิดหน่อยทางดอนใบมะกรูดหลายๆเพชรเพิ่มเพชรอีกเพิ่มเพชรอีกรสน้ำตาลรสว้าวอะไรกันครับได้ครับ
ด้านไหนจะพูด
ช่องแก้วช่องแก้วช่องแก้ว
เบอร์เดย์
Happy birthday
คุณโยเป็นวัน
It's nobody's birthday
ผมรู้ว่าแกไปสับรถแล้วหุ่มกับมันน้ำลำคอเสียบ
บ่ได้สิแต่เรานั่งได้คุณปุ๊กมา
They're cold
เออ No it's no ที่มาโต๊ะ
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Street Food Pad Thai, Hoi Tot, and also Gai Tot, fried chicken, Pad Thai shrimp, and fried mussels. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching our channel. I want to thank all the wonderful subscribers. We just hit over 3,000. I appreciate that very much. It's very important to me if you would please just click that subscribe button right over here. And it doesn't cost you any money. It really doesn't mean anything. It just helps the channel grow. And we want to promote No Time to Be Hungry and the Mafia Kitchen. So thank you very much. If you liked it, please also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Click that little button down there on the bottom. And you can also get an alert when a new video comes up. I'm trying to put out about 3 a week. I think that's gonna work out just fine. Anyway, if you got any suggestions on food, leave them down there in the comment section and feel free to comment if you like. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Paige.